Hello students, today we are going to solve a problem on projectile motion. Here you can see here the motor is fired, the motor fires a projectile across a level field so that range R is maximum and equal to 900 meter. Find the time of flight. That is, time of flight is designated as capital T. Here you can see the diagram from point A. Here there is a motor which is firing a projectile, and this is a level field which you can see over here, and the range is maximum and it is equal to 900 meters. So R max is given as 900 meter. So here you have to find out what is the time of flight which is designated as T. So here you can see the maximum range will be when alpha is equal to 45 degree, which has already been discussed in the previous videos. So the formula for horizontal range is u square sine 2 alpha by g. So instead of the alpha, which is the angle of projection, we are putting the value as 45 degree because for R max. So here you are going to get R max is equal to u square by g. So 900 is equal to u square by g. From here you are going to get what is the value of velocity of projection, where you are taking the value of g as 9.81. Here you can see where the final value of velocity of projection is 93.962 meter per second. So this particular value of velocity of projection is needed to calculate what is the time of flight. So the formula for time of flight is 2u sine alpha by g. So you can substitute the value of velocity of projection u, which is 93.962, which you got here in this particular formula, that is to find out the time of flight. So 2 into 93.962 into sine 45 by 9.81. Here also you have to take the value of alpha as 45 degree, because this is a problem which is based on maximum range. So you're going to get the answer as 13.55 seconds. Okay, thank you.